In this challenging economic climate for vineyard owners, lowering labor costs and improving fruit quality are essential. Our patented spring construction trellis wire guide is the fastest and easiest retrofit solution to old, corroded, broken, and ineffectual T-bar or post connector trellis systems. Installation to a single post, a zone replacement, or entire vineyard is as fast and easy as this. Trellis wire guides are now securely installed to your existing trellis system post. Guide wires, without dropping or actually even repositioning them, install as simply as this. What can be faster than that? Closure up of the guide wires is as simple and fast as this.